part of making a collage means dealing with paper. On my worksheet, I write my name, and I have my paper scraps. I also have a glue stick or a glue cup and a Q-tip. The first box is for tearing paper. To tear shapes, we use our fingers to manipulate the paper to make interesting designs. We can overlap the shapes, making them go in top of each other or behind each other, maybe like how you would want to do a landscape with the foreground, middle ground, and background, or like the sky to make clouds or waves for the sea. I start with my images in the back first. If you use a glue stick, take off the cap, roll it up just a little bit, put glue on the back of the image, not on the paper, because we might change our mind where we want it, and give it a massage. Push it down hard, especially on the edges, so that the edges don't curl up. You can leave some things white if the white part represents something, maybe like a cloud or snow. I put glue on the back of my image, starting with the back layer, pushing it down, working my way forward, pushing it down, and I'll put another layer on top. The more layers we have, the more dimensional it looks. There, I'm done with my glue stick. I roll it back down so it hides under there. Put the lid on tight so there isn't a white line. That way no air can get in and dry it out. On this side, you can work on cutting. We always use scissors safety, meaning we wrap our hands around the blade and carry them blade down. And it can be fun to cut paper. We hold it with one hand and we rotate the scissors around with the other hand. This time too, I could work on making a landscape, doing different layers, foreground, middle ground, and background. As colors get farther away from us, as things get further away, they get darker in color. So I lay my shapes how I would want them to fit on my little square, and you can always reassess and recut as you need to, so you're happy with your images. Things that go away from us also get smaller. If I was going to cut a road, it would start big, and as it gets further away from us, it would get smaller. I'm going to fill my whole section with cut paper, so you will continue filling this full. Now, if you want to use the Q-tip and glue cup, we start from the back and work our way forward. Get glue on the Q-tip, put it on the back of the shape around the outside, and then massage it down. Push that glue on so that it sticks. When you are done, any Q-tips can go in the garbage. Put the lid on tight. Scraps that are smaller than your hand go in the recycling. Big scraps can go back in the container at your table or in the scrap box.